Hello! In this course we will study the first basic code in Arduino programming, the Blinking project. Before we start studying the code, let's first explain the structure of the coding of the microcontroller at Mega 168, which is the microcontroller used in Arduino Uno board. Every code has to have the first void setup function. This function is for the configuration. As example, to configure the pins of the microcontrollers. As you know, every microcontroller have multiple pins that can be programmed to be either inputs or outputs. So in this function we configure which pins will be used. The setup function runs once when you press reset to power the board. For the loop function, this loop function contains the code of the programs. The loop function runs over and over again forever. Let's study first the Blinking project. This project will configure one pin of the Arduino board to be an output and to start blinking. So on the configuration means the void setup we have pin 5 as output. The syntax is pin mode 5 output. This will configure pin 5 to be an output. For the function of blinking we have the syntax digital write 5 high. This means turn pin 5 to high, means to 1, physically to provide plus 5 volts. Then we have the delay, which is timer for 1000 milliseconds. Then again, digital write 5 low. This means turn pin 5 to low, means to 0, physically to provide 0 volt. Again the delay for 1000 milliseconds. Let's now see the simulation. First I have connected LED 3 to pin 5 for simulation. As you see, the pin 5 is blinking every second. I think this is understood. Let's now vary the delay to 200 milliseconds so the blinking will be faster. This way you can understand more and more the logic. We will modify only the delay from 1000 to 200 in both lines, so the blinking will be symmetrical. And we compile the code. As you see, the blinking has changed and now it looks more faster because the delay is shorter. Let's now add another pin 6. So both LEDs should blink. First we start by the configuration. We will need to configure pin 6 as an output. We write the same syntax. Second, we add the digital write on the loop function for pin 6. We add it twice. The first digital write is to turn it to 1. The second digital write is to turn it to 0. Let's see the result.